everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new crypto project. From this project you can earn a very big reward, and in future it gives you a very big profit. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notifications. So simply we can go to the website. As you can see, the project was on screen. Deep Shark is the name of this coin, and the detail and the link of this coin was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join it. This coin having a potential to grow 100x, so must participate in it. I will tell you how it's grow and the main specification of this project. So be the member of this project and get profitable. So first of all, friend, I will tell you it's a meme coin, and you will know that meme coin grows very fastly and give you a very big profit. I will compare this coin to other meme coin and tell you how those coins grow very fastly, and it's also growing and give you a very big profit. It's a good time and good opportunity for you to be the member of this project. So first of all, you can see is the Deep Shark is the king of the water, and the detail was available on this website. First of all, you can see the phase 2 was start, 80% was raised, and you can simply buy it. I will tell you how you can buy it, and simply you can see the about section of this project. As you can see, the Deep Shark token is not just a traditional meme coin but an asset in a larger ecosystem that unites innovation, security and appreciation potential. And you will also see many more detail about this project. So as you know, meme project growing very fastly, and it's also give you a very huge reward and give you many more opportunities of earning, like rewards, bonuses and many events was coming in this project. So from those events you can also get a big profit. So must join this platform and buy this token to get more profitable, and also join the community of this project to get more updates and newses. So simply we can scroll down. As you can see, contract address was also available on BSC scan Deep Shark, and you can simply go and then buy it. The contract address was also available. I will share with you. Simply click on BSC scan. So I will share with you the current transaction and detail of this project. So friend, you can see the detail of this project was showing on screen. The total supply of this project was available. You can see 1300 plus holder was also available. Current transaction was showing on screen, so must participate in it, and in long term you can get a big reward from this platform. So simply we can go back to the website. Must read the white paper. You will know about our missions and why choose us. So you can know about these things. So must read the detail, and you can see it's a good trading experience you can get from this platform. So it's a good opportunity for you, and it's also using artificial intelligence, AI and blockchain technologies that growing and that helps to grow this project fastly. So must read it, and the white paper detail I will also share with you in this video. As you can see, first of all read the about section to know about this project, and then read the platform detail, and now you can see the token detail of this project. The name of this token was Deep Shark, platform blockchain and AI was using. Total pieces was available, total supply was showing on screen. In first phase you can see the price was 0.0015, and in second phase it's growing very fastly, 50 million tokens to 100 million, and price also growing up. So in next phase you can see more than more, so must participate in it and get a big reward from this platform. It also give you an airdrop opportunity, the exchange opportunity, then many more things. So must participate in it and also read the detail about this project. Now you can see preview project was also available, that other meme coin goes very fastly and it's also growing. So it's also helps to make you a good profit, so must join it. I will share with you the Dogecoin. So you can see it's also a meme coin, and it's also growing very fastly. You can see now its price was 0.1, so it's grow very fast, and it's also giving the volume 99 point I think something. So as you can see, total volume of this coin was $960 million. So it's a good time for be the member of this project. It's just like this meme coin, and it's also growing very fastly, so must participate in it. And I will share with you the detail of this project, how it's work and how you can make profit from this platform. So now I will tell you how you can buy it. Simply click on a buy option. You can simply go to the exchange and I will tell you how you can buy it. So friend, you can see the detail of this project was available in Presalo, and the link detail was available in the description. You can simply go and connect to your wallet which one you have, and then you can simply be the member of this project. You can see multiple wallet opportunities was available. Simply connect it and select the amount how much you want to purchase, and you can get 25% bonus, and you can also get more opportunities of earning. So you can simply buy it from here, and it's a very simple and easy method for you to purchasing. And you can also see on BSC scan, I will already tell you. So these are the main opportunities you can get from this profit. So hopefully you will like this video and must join this community platform, and also join the social media account of this project. As you can see, the Twitter account was showing on screen. Must follow it for latest updates and news. As you can see, the latest announcement was sharing, it will be listed on Get.io exchange and soon, so you can also get big profit. So must participate in it. It's the right time for you to be the member of this project. It also listed on another exchanging, and you can see this price growing fastly. So must participate in it, and you can see multiple opportunities and news about this project. So also follow it for latest updates and news, and must join the Telegram community to get know about this project and get more profitable. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be meeting next video.